Hello guys, welcome to another episode of What's Your Hobby. In today's video, we are going to make one interesting puzzle game known as coin jumping. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Now, as you have learned how to make this game, so let's understand how to play this game. So the winning condition of this game is quite simple. In 5 moves, you have to place all these 10 coins in pair. So the winning condition will look something like this. Like after 5 moves, all the coins should be in pair at alternate positions. Like it should look something like this. The winning condition for this game is quite simple. You can only move a coin over 2 coins. Like for example, if you take out this coin, you can only move it here and here. You cannot move it here, otherwise it will be 3 coins. So you can either place it here or here. Also, for example, if there are 2 coins in a rod like here, so these are counted as 2 coins. So you can only cross these 2 coins. You can keep it either here, either here, either here, but you cannot cross this, otherwise these will be 3 coins. Let's quickly take one example how we can play this game. Suppose I move this 6 here, so I'll cross 2 coins, 1, 2. Let's put it here. Now let's take this 2 and I'll cross 2 coins. 1 here are 2 coins, it will be 2 coins. So here, let's take this 5 out and we can place it. So we have already moved 2 steps. The winning condition is that in just 5 steps you have to complete this. So 1.2 coin, I can place it here. 3 steps we have done. Now let's move it 4 steps. So you see these two can't make any pair, so we can't win this game. So like this is how we can play this game but in the end your aim should be in just 5 steps you have to complete it. Now let me give you the solution for this. The solution is you have to move first the 7 to 10. We have done 1 step. Now this 5 to 2 steps. These 3 to 1 to here 3 steps. This 9 to here 4 steps, and this 1 to here. You see, in just 5 steps we have completed this game, and also we have taken care of all the rules like crossing only 2 coins at a time. I hope you enjoyed this game and learned something new today. Challenge your friends to complete this task in just 5 steps in like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. This is a very fun, interesting game. If you want to see such more amazing games in the upcoming videos, then please press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. We will meet soon in the next video with another amazing game. Thank you.